How to buy Tony LC sign token. So this token came under the symbol of Tony. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. And now go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 121 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 6 hours ago and increased by 800% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 9 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token address, open your funds wallet for that. Now click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in the search bar. Click on your token here. As you can see, click I understand, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. And after that, to select the provider, click on pricing, click on provider and select Jupiter, for example, and click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Tony token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.